Connection method for TDLAS200 module. The air inlet is usually connected to a filter. To remove impurities and moisture from the gas to be measured, use a suction pump with a flow rate of 500 milliliters per minute for gas extraction. And positive pressure is prohibited from entering the module. The structural board is equipped with a 3-core cable interface, which is for TTL communication. A 4-core cable is used for 485 communication, among which the red and black wires are power lines, providing 7 volts and 1.5 West power supply. It is now powered on. After confirming that the power on is normal, locate the corresponding port number and open the serial port. The current information displayed is the module data read via TTL communication. Switching to 485 communication, unplug the TTL port cable, connect to the 485 port, and read the status through the 485 communication cable. First, I'll power it off and restart it. As you can see, when the module is just powered on, there will be a current jump, which is normal. Approximately 2 to 3 minutes after power on, the current value will gradually stabilize.